Now trigonometric ratio for tan 3a. Okay. So tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. So now what we can write it? Tan 3a is equal to tan 2a plus a. Now which formula we are going to write it? First of all, tan a plus b. This is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a with tan b. Is it clear? Now this becomes tan 2a plus tan a upon 1 minus tan 2a with tan a. Now here let's use formula for tan 2a. Now tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now substituting this formula, we are getting, now this is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a plus tan a upon 1 minus 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a times tan a. Okay. Now after taking the LCM, what we are having? 2 tan a plus tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus tan square a upon, again taking LCM in the denominator, we are having 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Now 1 minus tan square a and 1 minus tan square a, this cancels. This cancels, and what is left? We are left with now 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence tan 3a is equal to, what we have proved? 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. Proved.